everyone! We have a little doll, wooden doll. I unboxed this yesterday. I did not record me unboxing it. So guys, we are going to start with Ladybug first. I know it's very easy to put on and take off. See, there's a little magnet on the back, and we think there's a little metal on the corner. But I don't really think that. My mommy thinks that there's metal on the corner, but I don't think that. Alright, here is Ladybug. It looks so cool. Let's make someone else. Let's do Multi-Bug. Since I'm doing a new video with my thing now, it's a little different. So I'm not gonna have a new video this week. A new regular video next week. But this week it's me on you playing with this. Wait, let's find her head. There's her head. Here is Multi-Bug. Now let's make Dragon Bug. I think I can find it. I think I found it. There. It's backwards. Well, let's add her head. It's backwards on this than the actual Dragon Bug doll. Alright, let's do Marionette and then we're done. 3. Alright, let's find Marionette. Where is Marionette? Top. There's her top. Here's her bottom. And here is her top. Here's her top. We have Marionette. It is so cool. Let's start mixing and matching. So Marionette's body with Lady Dragon Bug's head. And now we're gonna do Multi-Bug's bottom. We'll do Ladybug's top. And finally we have Dragon Bug's head. So wait, here is Lady Noir's head. We're gonna do Lady Noir's head. So here we go. It's Lady Noir's head, Ladybug's body, and Multi-Bug's bottom. Ladybug's shirt, Dragon Bug's head, and lastly, Multi-Bug's bottom. So she doesn't have a couple more actions she doesn't have. She has most of them down here. But some of them she doesn't have because let's change her back to Marionette because we're done. 3. We're almost done. After we change her back to Marionette, we'll be done. Hi everyone, did you guys enjoy our video? Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on.